Spexaholics, today we get educated as I am about to teach you how to put a more businessy, more creative video onto Instagram. Stay tuned. So firstly, if anyone has already Googled this, you're probably going to be told that you need a business account for both Facebook and Instagram. This is actually incorrect, as there is a much better method that I'm going to show you. What you will need is a good video creation editing software, such as Sony Vegas, After Effects, Final Cut, etc. But today we are going to be focusing on After Effects. Once you've loaded up After Effects, and it doesn't really matter what version, start by making your composition 600 by 600 pixels, as this is the square ratio Instagram uses. Make sure to tick lock aspect ratio as well, just so it doesn't render in a weird shape with black bars. So once you've got your starting template all set up, 600 by 600 pixels, simply just start creating. Obviously, if you've got a pre-made video, you may need to play around with it, different cropping and stuff. It can be a bit tricky, but this is mostly if you're just wanting to put something quick up there, just to promote a business, or just something creative. You know, this could be anything from a new song if you're a singer, an animation if you're a cartoonist, just something, you know, anything you can't normally do on Instagram. Keep it down to no more than 30 seconds as well, which if you've set the composition settings for 30 seconds, you know your video won't exceed it. And once you're done, go to Add to Render Queue, change Lossless to H.264, and make sure that before you hit render that you've got your audio turned on. That's the important thing, especially if you do have audio, you don't want it to be silent. Then once that's done, it's just a matter of emailing yourself the video, downloading it to your phone, going to your Instagram, and it should be absolutely fine to upload there. Okay, well that's it for today, boys and girls. Hopefully that was at least somewhat helpful. Any questions, leave a comment down below and I will try my best to answer them best I can. Also, if you're wanting the method for Sony Vegas or any other video making software, let me know and I'll see what I can do about that as well. So thanks for watching, hope it helped. Please subscribe, it really does help the channel. I know it's a generic phrase, but you know. Have a good day, stay safe, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks guys.